the other side. Oh, you're getting somewhere, huh?
Thanks, Mom.
No, it won't fall on you.
My wee little muscles are hurting.
Your what muscles?
Wee little muscles.
Wee little muscles?
I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a breather.
Okay, picture. Okay. Nice breeze. Could be hotter out.
Come on, I had it go.
Come on, muscles.
Hey.
Keep going. You're getting there. You're like a third of the way through the tree now.
No, I'm like halfway through the tree. My cut marks are uneven. All over.
You're going to break it in the wrong place, hon.
No, it's already bending.
Come on, you can do it.